Well, I just purchased this Walla sound Bluetooth speaker, okay? And it's okay. I mean, I'm going to let you listen to it. There it is right here. What's good about it, in the back, I don't know if you can see it, it's got, the Bluetooth is on. You can see the blue light there. A USB port and an micro SD card that you can play MP3s with, which is good. It's clear enough, but I've seen better. It's also got an auxiliary port, and or does it? Maybe it doesn't. I don't see the auxiliary port. I do see USB and micro SD card and the connection to charge the unit. But in the back there's an on and off switch, okay? Well, I'll let you listen to it, and I'm using this microphone because this is a good microphone. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put my earphones on to make sure I'm not over-modulating. Hello? Testing? Okay, I can hear myself. Yeah, maybe I am over-modulating a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, I turned it down a little bit. I'm going to let you listen to it. These are hopefully copyright songs that are non-copyright. And you tell me what you think, okay? Also, it has an FM radio built in. Now, you have to mess with these buttons because this one button on the left here, on my left, says M. And then you can switch this from USB to SD card to FM to Bluetooth, okay? And then to change the channels, you hit the plus sign, which is the volume button, but it's also the button to change the channels. You just hit it once and it'll go to the next station. And I can probably show you that in a minute. But in order for that to work, they want you to plug in, what did I do with it? Oh, plug in the cord. It acts as an antenna, so we'll plug that in just because we can. Hold on here. Okay. I've seen this, I haven't seen this on YouTube being reviewed by a person like myself. I've seen an advertisement, and I've seen one advertisement for this speaker, and that's by the people who make this unit. So I thought, well, you know, I better do a review on this so people know exactly what they're getting. I don't know if these are actual speakers or they're just rubber chingaderos, whatever you call them. But there's one on each side. Anyway, let's go ahead and play some music here, and hopefully you can hear it. Now, that's as good as it sounds. Now, I'm using a good microphone for that purpose. So if you have some earphones, put your earphones on so you can hear the bass, which is really not there. But this music is not the best either, so let me do another one. I don't like that one either. See, to me, turn it down. To me, it sounds a little boxy. And what you're hearing is the actual sound. I wish I had some better music. Turn this up a little bit. Come on.
escape. In between these walls, time is getting late. Wondering where you are, need to get it straight. Cause I think I'm falling hard.
Sorry about that. It's as good as it gets. Okay. All right. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and go to the FM radio, okay? And hopefully there won't be too much music that's going to... Okay, I'm going to press this once, okay?
Shephatiah, the son of Mahalalel, of the children of Perez, and Maaseiah, the son of Baruch, the son of Kolhoseh, the son of Haziah, the son of Adiah, the son of Joiarib, the son of Zechariah, the son of Shalonah. All the sons of Perez who dwelt at Jerusalem were 400.
Matt Monroe.
Son of Joed, the son of Pedaiah, the son of...
News on Fox 11.
Rema hacia $3,000 en el hermoso lago Walker. El condado de Mineral presenta el primer desafío de kayak. Sábado 9 de septiembre en el lago Walker. Habrá $3,000.
Okay. I'm turning it off. Looks like it only picked up 4 or 5 channels. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. But to me, I paid $49. I'm afraid I'm going to have to return it and get something different. I think I can get something better. You know, I had a Soundcore unit similar to this, but it sounded so much better. You know, it is what it is. It's not a bad unit, but it's not what I was looking for. Hopefully you'll get the right effect by using this microphone, and hopefully you'll be able to make a decision on what you just heard here. So anyway, it does play USB music. I tried it. Plays beautiful. Not beautiful, but it plays music like it should. I haven't tried the SD card, and I'm sure it works. But it's very light. So there's not much into it. I think there's one 3.7 volt battery in it. You can look up the specs. Let me see if it says anything on here. Charging time is 3 to 4 hours. The battery is 600 milliamps, I guess. Playtime is normal volume, 12 hours. That'd be pretty good, wouldn't it? Powers down automatically after 30 seconds. You can scan the radio stations, and then to stop it, you hit the play button. It'll scan it, and then when you find the station that you want, you hit the plus button. It's simple once you know it. It comes with a little manual, okay, which explains everything on it. So that's my story, and I'm sticking to it, and I hope you can decide just from watching this thing. But I think I'm going to get a hold of them. They're made in the U.S. and they're sent from the U.S. and it took about 3-4 days to get here. So, like I say, it's not a bad unit, but it's not what I'm looking for. I need more bass. I like the bass. Nothing like the bass. Okay? All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell and the like button. And if you have any comments, I appreciate it. I'll respond as fast as I can. All right. Thanks for watching.